Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I refreshen my makeup. So this is after a 8-hour day. So I'm touching up the areas that my foundation has already kind of worn off. I'm using my Anastasia stick foundation and I'm just using my beauty blender and I'm basically dabbing it in to make sure the coverage will show up. I'm not sure about you, but for sure under my eyes need a little bit more coverage, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm taking my e.l.f. compact powder. This is a tone correcting powder, something that's more neutralizing as well as setting. Technically for me it's more of a translucent because I am that pale. I'm applying this in my highlighted areas, which is going to be center of my face, under my eyes, a little bit around the nose and chin area. Now I'm taking a foundation powder. This is the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Powder. I'm going to apply this everywhere on top of where I put the e.l.f. powder as well. Since I do have blush on, I'm avoiding the blush area because we are going to touch up the blush as well. So here I am taking my Tarte blush. I'm going to apply this on my apples as well as a little bit more on my contour. And I'm taking my highlighter brush. I'm taking this KKW collab with Mario and I'm taking that golden shade, applying it as my highlight. Now for my contour, I'm going to use this little tiny brush to contour my nose and my lip area because that part of it mostly faded because I tend to touch my face throughout the day. Make sure you blend out any harsh lines, especially the contour if you did it like me. Set everything in place. I'm using the Urban Decay setting mist and I'm also dabbing with the beauty blender to make sure everything is more pushed in to the skin. This is very crucial guys because you want it to stay put and this will make it longer lasting. Touching up the under eye a little bit more with the highlight powder from the Kat Von D contour kit. Last but not least will be your lips. You don't have to put on a lip color, but I threw one on anyway because it isn't going to be nighttime now. I believe this is the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. I will label all the products in the bottom bar, so be sure to check that out. Touch up my little Marilyn Monroe mole that I have faded there from my foundation cover up and covering my little pimple there as well. Alright, that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!